Hi everyone, I'm Michelle, and today on Couch Therapy, we're gonna explore the world of mini fashion. Okay, yay, today the sun is shining, the tank is clean, it's a very good mental health day, and I went shopping. 5 surprise mini fashions. I got 2 of them from Walmart, and I ordered 2 of them online. I don't know which are which now. I've got them kind of mixed up. I got a total of 4 of them. We're gonna unbox these today. I'm kind of excited about these. I mean, this is pretty cool. 40 plus real fabric fashion bags and accessories to collect. So this is pretty fun. We will get straight into it. Make sure I got my basket here. Hopefully this comes undone well. Yeah, I've seen people unbox these, and I've been wanting to get some. Every time I checked at my store, they didn't have any. Now, I don't have, oh, this is like not peeling good. I only have like Walmart's here. We don't have a Target, and oh no. So I did order 2 of them off of Amazon, and then I was able to find, I think there was 4 total, I think at Walmart's, like buried in the back. And I went ahead and grabbed them. I'm just excited because I love anything miniature. It is not peeling off in the satisfying way. Maybe I should have gotten a, really? Look at that. We're in. Let's see, how do we, okay, there, you just kind of open it up like this. It's 1, looks like 2 bags and a little list. So let's take a look at the list really quick here. Oh, it's cute. It's got like a little fold little purse. Okay, so these are the handbags and the little accessories that you can collect. Looks like we've got 3 rare ones. Bailey. Evidently she wants a rare one. You can get a diamond ring or something. That's pretty cool. And then 5 fashion surprises and sides. Okay, little accessories down in the bottom. Looks like some more accessories that you can get too. So cute, so cute, oh so cute. Okay, let's open up. This is probably the handbag because the sticker. This is probably the accessories. So let's open the accessories first. Oh look, it's a little perfume. It's a little perfume bottle. And the lid comes off. That is so adorable. So first accessory, we got a sticker. Now I don't know the names of these brands that they're trying to replicate or dupe, so you'll have to pardon that. Oh, what's this? Oh my goodness, that's like a little makeup palette. That is so cute. Wish my camera would focus better. Oh, that's so cute. And there's another accessory in here. Maybe a mini lipstick. Does it open? It does. Oh my gosh. 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 I don't think it. No, it's not a working product. That is so cute. So the first one, the accessories we got was the makeup palette, the little lipstick, and the bottle of perfume. And the sticker. That's it for that little bag. Onto the purse. Yay! It's so cute. It's just adorable. Even has a little stuffing in it. We can put our little accessories in it. Grab the accessories. We can put our lipstick in it. We can put our bottle of perfume in it. And our little makeup palette. That's just adorable. It has MF written all over it. I'm not exactly sure what that's supposed to be. We'll put the little sticker in here too, so I know which one came with which one. Okay, first ball down. Second ball. Hopefully this one peels better. That first one was a nightmare to get into. Ouch, and it's not peeling well at all. Okay, another sheet. This is the accessory bag, and this will be the actual bag. Let's do the accessories first. Hopefully no repeats. Sticker. Same sticker we got. This better not be exactly the same. Another perfume bottle. We just got that one. Okay, all right, we got a little makeup brush. Ooh, soft. And looks like a little compact. This is a mirror blush. A little compact with a little kind of reflective in there. That's cute. Okay, all right, let's see. Keep the mess cleaned up. Let's see what bag we got. Yay, we got a different bag. That's adorable. Does the snappy thing work? Yep, it clips in there. Oh, no, it didn't stay. That is so cute. Like I said, I don't know what that's trying to replicate, which brands. I'm not 100% sure. So that's bag number 2. Okay, on to ball number 3. Now if we can just get a satisfying peel. No. Yes. All right, ball number 3. Another list. 2 bags, handbag, accessory bag, accessory bag. Oh, no, come here. First thing that popped out is another lipstick. So cool. That is so pretty. Look what's peeking out of the bag. It's one of the puppies. Oh my gosh, look at him. He's so cute. Looks like we got a little mini lotion. And another sticker. That's it for the accessories. Now let's see what bag we got. This is a repeat. This was the one that we first got. Yep, it's got stuffing in it. Put your little puppy in there. Oh my goodness, look. Okay. Okay, ball number 4, last ball. Not too bad. We only got 2. We've only gotten 1 repeat for the bag, so hopefully, out of 4 balls, hopefully hopefully we'll get something different. Our accessories have been different except for the perfume, which is kind of nice. Oh. Last ball. List. 2 packages. Big one for the purse, small one for the accessories. Oh, we got another dog. This is a different one. Oh my goodness. We got, this one's like a light colored tan one. This one's a dark tan one. I'm so happy because I have a Chihuahua. Now I have 2 little miniature ones. Oh my gosh, so cute. All right, what else? We got cute little sunglasses. I wonder if these actually fit Barbies or not. I'll have to try them out. They're a little delicate, so yeah. So cute. Put that in the handbag, and another sticker, and this is the same pink purse. And we got another brush. So that's a repeat. Onto the handbag, and we'll see which bag we got. It's a different one. Oh my gosh! Look at that! That is adorable. That is so cute. That is just, oh my gosh. That's just too much. Those are so cute. Look at that. I mean, obviously it's not real leather, but I mean, that's well made, being a little miniature. So we got this bag, we got a repeat of bags, which that's okay, and this one. I think this is my favorite. That is just too adorable, and I am so glad that we got the little Chihuahuas. I think, are they rares, or what do the cards say? It doesn't say. I think they're just part of the accessories. They're not rares. The rare ones are the rings, the diamond ring, and the pink satchel, and it looks like a gold satchel are the rares. So we got, there's wallets, but there's 2 lipsticks you can collect. We got both the lipsticks, we got the brush, we got the compact. There's like tube lipstick and wallets. So there was a few accessories we didn't get. And as far as bags go, we only got 3 bags out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bags, and then the rare. So there's some more that we need to get. Awesome. All right. Thank you for watching, and I hope you had a lot of fun. I did. I am just loving and just living for it. It is. All right. I will see everybody in the next video. Bye-bye.